Hey Disney fans, sponsored train enthusiast Dan here. And and recently I was decorating my walls here with some of my favorite artists and artwork, and I got to thinking, why not do a little pin board showing off some of my favorite Disney park pins? And I realized I'm missing representation on this wall for one of my new favorite rides at Walt Disney World. A ride I went on and then didn't pick up any merchandise for, Mickey's Runaway Railway. Mickey's first ride, guys. It's incredible, it's beautiful, I love the ride so much, and I am itching for some fresh Disney park merchandise. And hey, I've got some good news for you. They've got park merch at BoxLunch. Well, it turns out that BoxLunch is a Disney Dan fan just like you, so they partnered with me to come into the store and show off a whole new line of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway Disney Park merchandise! BoxLunch has already provided me with this incredible Conductor Mickey's train shirt, which is this great fabric, vertical striped matching hat to go along with this, and true Disney fashion, big shirts for the grown-ups, matching shirts for the kids. Look at this, come on. The train infant fans are also covered. I couldn't even wear this as a sock. This is the smallest piece of clothing I've held. This place has got so much Disney stuff. Lady and the Tramp, Robin Hood, Winnie the Pooh, Soul, Pixar's Up, Pixar crockpots. You know, who even thought that that was a thing that we even needed? Disney princess bags, Beauty and the Beast, Stitch bags, Stitch dresses, big and small. It's just Disney. It's just Disney. There's just so much. I'm getting lost in the sea of Disney merch. Safe. Remember me. Remember me. This shirt looks relatively interesting. Maybe there's a video topic hidden somewhere inside the deep blue, sad eyes of that beast. All right, I've got all four. Let's check out and to get back to the studio and take a closer look at these bad boys. Hey, Kenny.
Yeah.
Is there an Echo in here? Oh, wait, there is. Meet Echo, the store manager.
Hi.
Thanks, Echo.
Thank you guys so much.
Let's get back to the studio. Heavyweight, Diz Twitter, world champ. Oh, I didn't know they had Joker merchandise here. Is this not the single most depressing fanny pack that's ever been made? Who wants to wear around their hips the memory of a life lived and love lost? This is Disney Park waffles, man.
Yes, it's Mickey Waffles. Oh, sorry.
Confirmed by the store manager. Thanks, Echo.
No, you're fine.
Check out these pins. What's really cool is these are official Disney Park pins, all right? They've got the Mickey pin back. They've got that stamped Disney Park Mickey texture on the back. They're official pin trading pins. Even says it on the card. They connect together. It's amazing. They're gorgeous. We have train conductor Goofy, responsible for the whole gosh darn mess. It's like I served 4 duties in the Mickey train wars. I'm really loving these pins. I really love Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It's really, really a great ride. Goofy, my main man, he's a goofster. I'm a goofster, and his shenanigans, you know, if it wasn't for Goofy, we wouldn't have the ride, all right? Let me know in the comments below if you guys have been on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. If you've been to BoxLunch to pick up any of this awesome merchandise, it all looks really, really great. I loved going into the store. How about we do something fun? We haven't done this in a hot minute. Let's give away this set of Mickey's Runaway Railway pins. And for you to enter into this giveaway is simple. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and then leave me a comment telling me what your favorite part of the ride is. Once again, super big thank you to BoxLunch for sponsoring this video, hooking me up with this beautiful set of pins, this wonderful shirt. You guys really have to go in there if you haven't been in there. Tons and tons of amazing Disney stuff, like just blowing my mind with some really, really incredible Disney merch. So go in there and check it out. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. You rock. Oh boy, I want a pin! You sure are, Goofy. You sure are.